Nothing beats the feeling of smooth and silky skin after a relaxing and rejuvenating facial. But the effects of some of these treatments wear off within a couple of days. So, if you're looking for a long-lasting glow and a chiseled face, we've got this amazing exotic facial treatment that will blow your mind. Personally, I've never done a facial in my life apart from a few cleanups. So when I was asked to do it, I was scared but at the same time excited to try something new. And come on, getting a luxury facial that gives me the results and just relaxing for a good hour is a definite win for me. She started with steaming the areas of my face that needed the extraction, and then used an extractor to remove my black and white heads from my nose and chin. I go for regular cleanups, so I was pretty familiar with it already. I have very sensitive skin, so the force of the suction was a bit rough on my face and left me with a little bit of redness, but it eventually subsided. This particular treatment can be a little overwhelming because of the force of the oxygenated water that might make it hard for you to breathe for a few seconds. But my skin immediately felt very fresh and hydrated. This mask goes on as a cream but dries into a solid peel-off rubber mask after 10 to 15 minutes. On application, it felt very cold, but as it began to dry, I could feel my skin being tightened. I did not know I had pigmentation in these areas, but immediately after using the laser, I could see a slight difference, especially for my dark circles. I was instructed to apply sunscreen, stay out of direct sunlight for 4 days, and not use any cream such as retinol. During the process, I felt a pricking sensation in those areas, but since I have a high threshold for pain, it didn't bother me at all. Depending on what areas you wish to target, the doctor uses this high-frequency ultrasound to tighten and uplift your skin. I wanted to work on my jawline to make it look more defined, and I saw around 5% of a lift post the process. But the doctor said that I'll be able to see a significant change in 3 weeks. If you're looking to tighten, firm and rejuvenate your skin within minutes, then this treatment is a must try. It is a very relaxing, soothing and non-invasive process. So it is perfect if you're on the lookout for a luxury spa treatment to pamper yourself and reap its benefits. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.